eyes on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in you.
Okay, so we're at Smokey's, and I've been here 1,020,000 times, but Jourley's about to find out the reason I'm here 20,015,000 times. So, that first bite, let's see. Let's see. So that one wasn't as tender. Remember I told you, it depends on the person. But taste-wise. Okay. Yeah.
But you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move, body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improve. But you ain't even flexing, and you ain't gotta try too hard.
Hey guys. I can't even say good morning. I can't even say good afternoon. I should say good evening. Today got busy. Today is the first day back at work since the holidays. So you know what it is when you're trying to catch up to emails and stuff like that. So for those of you who are new here, welcome. And for those of you who have been rocking with me for some time now, welcome back. For those of you who are new, my name is Tahita. I'm a compliance analyst as well as a content creator here on TikTok. Here on YouTube, and I'm also on TikTok, and I'm kind of sort of on Instagram. It's been a struggle to get back into content creation, but I'm going back to my roots. I was a lot more consistent with YouTube towards like the past few months of 2023 when I was publishing videos. So I'm gonna try to regain my consistency. I tried with Vlogmas, y'all. It was just too much going on. And this was the first Christmas that I was able to spend with my family in over a decade. In over a decade. The last time I was here for Christmas was 2012, and that was for a sad occasion when my grandfather had passed. So I was just trying to be present. I didn't want to have a camera in everybody's faces. Yes, I've captured some moments. Yes, I did try to do like mini daily vlogs, but they weren't intentional. So we're back to intentional vlogging. With that being said, I have posted a lot about my experience and a lot about my love of my country, Belize, on TikTok. So I've been a lot more consistent there because I'm actually physically here and I get to share short form blogs or vlogs on TikTok. So if you're interested in learning more about Belize and my experience and my family and my culture and stuff like that, definitely follow me on TikTok. I'm sure you'll get not more consistent, but the content's just gonna come more often on TikTok. But anyways, I was rambling. I'm about to go downstairs. I am thirsty. I need to refill my water. I also want to check on my aunt because I have literally been in my room at work all day. So let's go.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that low mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break. Better way.